Introducing TRIPWIRE Stock Trading Signals. Welcome to the Stock Trading Authority. And we have a new stock trading signal service, which is quite extraordinary. And why is it extraordinary? Because it takes out a lot of point mileage. And what's point mileage? That means distance of profit of points. So with TRIPWIRE, we can make a lot more profit points in this stock versus more traditional types of trading methods. So what we have is a system. It has a strategy that has certain rules to it, and we just repeat this set of rules upon this strategic approach for entry. We ride the stock up and we ride the stock down. And so we try to get stocks that are popular and will likely have a good amount of inventory to be shorted, but also you can always use options. Okay, you can go in the money, deeper in the money with options, and you can cover the same amount of shares with a lot less money. Just make sure you have enough money in case you get assigned the stock. If you forget to close out your options position by expiration, if it's deep in the money, by expiration. You can also use a contingent order to automatically get you out before close at expiration, and so on. Okay. So you can use options if you want. With stock, you don't have to worry about expirations. You don't have to worry about premium. You get the 100% delta. So also, when you have a larger amount of funds, let's say you've built up a larger amount of funds, one usually looks to use stock in an instrument. As an instrument that can provide a good return, but doesn't have the worry and the risk that can come with options, whether you're long or short in the options. So if you're looking to put more significant funds to work in an extraordinary way of trading, where we are able to ride very large runs, even though the stock may not be doing a whole lot in real time over the months and years, we can still ride these moves up and down with very good reward to risk ratio, actually extremely good reward to risk ratio. And when you have an extremely good reward to risk ratios, well, you're in business. Okay, it's just as long as you can repeat these types of trades over and over, which we can. Now with TRIPWIRE, we are looking to have a broader perspective. We are looking to think bigger over time more. This isn't swing trading. It's definitely not day trading. We're looking to ride these moves. They are trends. Okay? They are trends. They're not what most people think of trends, though. They're a little different. So in order to ride this longer distance for more profits, as you can see from the performance records below, we look to use a broader time frame, which means that we are using weekly bars, and which forces us into this broader time frame perspective. Now, usually there are maybe 4 to 6 trades a year, so you want to pay attention. We'll make sure to give you good alerts where you are alerted and prepared to anticipate your entry, so you can be ready to pounce. But the potential profitability from TRIPWIRE is enormous. The service is for the retail trader. It's not for the professional trader. Professional traders need to contact us if they're looking to access our signals. And I say that because we are trading the underlying asset here, which if we have too many people on one side of the trade, it could affect entries and create a lot of slippage and so on. That said, that concern of having too many people or too big of a position size, or multiple people with very big position sizes on this method of trading isn't that consequential, because as I mentioned, we're looking at a more broad perspective here, and there's a good window where one can enter. And there's usually a lot of liquidity in these points of entry. So if you're looking for a trading signal service to give you some of the best perfected trading signals, arguably there are, in terms of a trend trading type of system where you can look to build net worth over time, then you'll certainly want to subscribe and watch the trades go by. And some people will just get a good sense for TRIPWIRE and just start investing. They'll put it to work right away. But other people will have to watch the trades over time to build confidence. And let's just say you just watch the trades for a year, maybe even 2. And then you realize that, whoa, this is like super powerful. I can't believe they're even offering this as a trading signal service. So then you start to put it to work, and you do so in a significant way. Well, if you can examine the performance below on the various stocks, you can see that if you can put TRIPWIRE to work, and TRIPWIRE can keep producing these types of returns, which from my experience and all probability, it will very likely do the same, although I can't promise you future returns. And you can see all the disclaimers below and read all those disclaimers. Okay, so, but into the future, we look to trade mechanisms, trade systems that have solidly proven themselves over decades and decades and decades. Because why or how have they been able to prove themselves over decades and decades and decades? Because our approach to systems design, well, at least this genre of what I call trading for a good living systems, is designed to fit in and coordinate with the universal fabric, the universal matrix of action and reaction, number sequences, ratios, patterns, angles, and so on. And so when you base your approach to trading on these universal laws of price action, and price action is how a stock moves on a price chart, then you can have consistency factors that you can exploit. Okay? That's not the best word choice, but you can take these consistency factors, these tendencies of the markets to behave and act and react in certain ways, and put on positions with proper money management position size. So if you do all these trades and you do them all in a row, for example, if you're systems trading or if you're strategy trading, maybe you have multiple optimizations. Here we are systems trading, but if you do all these trades in a row with the right, with the good money management position sizing, you should be able to net out a profit. And as you are able to consistently net out a profit, then your account grows. And as your account grows, your position size can grow, and that's how you can start compounding your returns. So this is an introductory video for TRIPWIRE. We're going to do some more videos explaining the TRIPWIRE stock trading signal service. But if you are seeing this now and there's an add to cart button, it would be an extremely valuable thing to at least study TRIPWIRE and watch it go by, or maybe put it to work. All right, so if you're not on this page, if you're seeing this on a video channel somewhere, you can probably click the link below or come to the Stock Trading Authority. It has the in it because there's someone else has Stock Trading Authority. So thestocktradingauthority.com, and you can just do a search for TRIPWIRE and look at the products or the signals page and find it. All right, thank you.